So now let us see how you can utilize hyperlinks inside of Adobe Captivate. So to add in hyperlinks, what you can do is you can go over to your text right over here. I'm going to bring in a text caption and I'm going to say example link just like this. So once I do this, you can see that this is a plain text right now. So what I can do is I can double click and I can select this out just like this. And let's say I want to make it clickable so that the link takes me to my YouTube page. So I'm just going to right click on this, and here you'll have an option to insert hyperlink, as you can see just like this. So let me just click on insert hyperlink right over here. And here you can see that you can link it to a web page. This is there by default. You can also link it to slide, or you can link it to like hide, show, and everything else as you see in the actions over there. So I'm just going to link it to web page. So I'm just going to go around over here and type in youtube.com just like this and TutorTube. So I'm going to type in youtube.com/TutorTube right here, and I'm going to press OK. So once you do that, you can see that the link color has changed. So I can change the color back into something else. I'm going to change it to red, for example. So I can do this over here, and now the link is clickable, as you can see right over here. So I'm going to see it in the preview in a while, just like that. I can also insert web URL links on buttons or shapes. So I'm just going to bring in a shape right over here, just like this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill it out with a color just like this. Let's say, for example, just like this one. And then I'm going to add in check in use as a button just like this. And then I'm going to go to actions right over here. And then from the actions, I'm going to go on to on the success. And then over here on success, I'm going to choose this option right here, open URL or file. And then I can add in the URL right over here, just like this. So I'm going to go around over here and type in www.youtube.com/TutorTube just like this. And the URL will be added just like that, as you can see over there. So now I'm going to do a preview of this. So preview the project. And now let's see how it actually looks like. So you can see that there's the preview, and here I got the button, and here I got the example link. So as I click on this, you can see that my YouTube channel will open up just like this. So the YouTube link has been opened up over there, just like that. So now I'm going to go around and do the same right over here. So there's my YouTube channel over here. And if I were to click the button, the YouTube channel opens up as well, as you can see. So that is how we can create hyperlinks inside of Adobe Captivate. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.